Hello there, my dear friends, and today I will be showing you a wonderful villa. Well, not really a villa, more like a townhouse, because right beside it is a few more of these apartments or villas. But a big plus is that they're located nearby Las Terrenas, around 4 minutes by car on a wonderful road. So in the near future, it could be a huge part of the city of Las Terrenas, because Las Terrenas is a very growing city. And this particular townhouse has a wonderful view to the ocean, to the Atlantic Ocean. So let me show you what it's like. I think this is going to be interesting. These particular townhouses are located on a hill, and from all sides opens up a wonderful view to the hills, and below us is the road around Las Terrenas. But let's take a moment to look at this perfect view. Turns out, not only a view can be good on the ocean, but to the hills as well. So from all sides, just an amazing view. Directly below me is the parking lot. To be exact, an uphill parking lot. And we end up on the guarded territory of these townhouses. There's around 6 of these townhouses. Every single townhouse has its own garden and its own parking lot. And right beside us is an area where you could possibly have a barbecue zone. And this townhouse itself starts from this area. The territory is guarded 24/7. So we're walking through this possible barbecue area, and we end up in this open space living room with a wonderful view opening up to the ocean. In this townhouse, there is 2 floors. It is completely new. They did a complete reconstruction, so you can kind of just buy the place, buy your own beds, and yes, you will have to furnish it out. You need to do the kitchen, but the tables are already here. But let's start from the most important thing, the view that opens up from this townhouse. In total, in this townhouse, there is 4 rooms. The first bedroom is on the first floor, and the 3 other bedrooms on the second floor. Nearby us is a construction area. They are in the middle of a construction for a new complex. In 1.5 to 2 years, everything will already be finished. Honestly though, this view is just unbelievable. And it's opening up directly from the terrace. I mean, this little platform area here is just wonderful, crazy almost. With a little jacuzzi and with an infinity pool. Again, like I said, here's the jacuzzi. But a jacuzzi is not really for me. I'm not too fond of them, but I mean, it's here. From here, we can also spot the seashore. From right to the left, a terrific view of the Atlantic Ocean. Add to the construction of a new complex that will be ready in near time. So let's check out what's inside. Also, let's see how it looks from this side. The kitchen is already ready. Everything is provided. Just need to put up your own counter and everything. And obviously furniture. So this is the kitchen. It is connected to the living room. And if we walk a bit to the front, we will show up into the bedroom on the first floor. The bedrooms in this place aren't too big, but just enough room to put a closet, a bed, and everything else you might need. Also on the first floor, we have a bathroom. Here's the spot for all your house cleaning. Here is the bathroom itself. Right here will be the toilet and the sink itself, which is interesting because it's made out of wood. So let's climb up to the second floor. These are some nice stairs. They're made out of marble. And on the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. To the left of us is the first bedroom, also a not too big one, with a fan on the ceiling. Right beside it is the second bedroom, and as we look on the ceiling, there's a repeating theme of the support beams being made out of wood. But this bedroom has a entrance to the balcony. From the balcony opens up a view to the hills, a remarkable view. You would probably need to put up a glass fence here. And then continues on to the other side to the second balcony. And you would also need to place a glass fence here. That's usually the style that they go for. And of course for safety measures. And again, an extravagant view. That is opening up from the second floor. But here is the master's bedroom. A very high ceiling, mostly because it is the second and top floor. And right about here would be the bed itself. And at this table, I think it will be a bar table. Or maybe a mini kitchen, you know, a big table, and everything is ready to become a mini kitchen or a bar. I mean, to be honest, what else could it be used for? And right beside us, to the left of us, to be exact, is a big and separate closet room. All of the shelves and hang-up bars are already inside. And right beside it is a huge bathroom. Exactly, a bathroom with a bath. A double sink, you know, 2 sinks made out of wood as well. I mean, of course, after the reconstruction, you would need to clean everything. And right here would be a window, and the window will open a view to the ocean. It's going to be put right here. So, in total, on the second floor, there's going to be 3 bedrooms, a big bathroom, and a closet room, and another bathroom toilet room. So 2 bathrooms on the second floor. And on the first floor, there is also 2 bathrooms. So that's the townhouse. It is right now on the market after a complete reconstruction, so you could say it's basically ready. It is ready for all the furnishing and live your days here. The total area of this place is around 2,100 square feet. I didn't measure them correctly. Later on will be the complete and correct information. And the price tag for this sucker is $450,000. So around 4 minutes to the center of Las Terrenas. Also the same amount of time to all the supermarkets. And the closest beach is around 2 minutes by car. The road here is very good. Pretty close, and of course just an absurd view to the ocean. So whoever caught an eye for this offer, you can contact me. My contact information will be in the description below, and we will see you guys on the next time. Goodbye.